So hi guys. So now, how about ICT in education? So what I've learned about this topic is that ICT revolutionized learning beyond traditional methods. So if sa una, blackboard lang ang mga students and the teachers, so now we already have our whiteboards, even ngang iban gagamit na og mga digital TVs to interact with their students. Reporting, sa una gagamit ng visual aid, but now we use already PowerPoint presentations. We already have projectors to project our presentations, no? Nagikan sa kuan sa mga computer generated nga mga texts. And then ICT tools like web resources, mga educational softwares, and interactive whiteboards provide us with access to a vast amount of information and engaging learning experiences. So, mo to, hagilang gaina. So, if, I mean, traditional methods are also interactive man in nature, but through digitizing manggod our presentations, it is much more convenient sa pag-present, sa pagtan-aw nato og mga text na mas visible na siya, pag-project nato og mga pictures, so di na siya lisod. And also this can improve the motivations of the students to cater diverse learning styles, allow for collaboration across geographical boundaries. So especially sa time na pandemic, no. So ICT in education is really helpful because all mode of learning has transitioned into online modality. So with that, so tanan mga resources sa internet na gamit, especially nako as a online student during the pandemic. Furthermore, ICT empowers teachers by offering innovative ways to present information, assess the students' progress, and personalize learning experiences. However, integrating ICT effectively requires addressing challenges like the digital divide, right? So, dili baya tanan students ka-afford og mga laptops, cellphones, and such, and even the schools lack sila og resources for katong even sa exam tong laong dito nga one gadget per student. So dili siya actually feasible pa nowadays since kailangan pa ta og a lot of resources in order to cater that. Also, it ensures proper training for both teachers and students. So isasab na siya sa actually disadvantage kay it takes time, kinahanglan ta og extensive nga trainings in order to be acquainted with the features online o sa digital world. So with that, generally when implemented thoughtfully ang ICT, it has the potential to transform education into a more dynamic, interactive o engaging process after all. So thank you, maura to.